Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to set up a custom thanks page on your contact form 7. Let's go to on my computer screen. Here is the client website. So here a contract form. If I submit on the contract form, so just I sent a test message. Click to send message. So here just showing a thanks message, but clients owns a custom thanks page after submit the form. So I have created here a thanks page. I go to the pages and if I scroll down here, okay, second page. Here I created a thanks page. If I click to view, so that is the thanks page. So I want to redirect the thanks page after submission the form. Okay. So I will use ultimate add-ons for contract form 7. Here the free add-ons. If I go to the free add-ons, here the redirections. So redirect users to a thanks page after from submission. So that is free add-ons. So I will use that plugins. So go to plugins and add new plugins and search here Ultra Addons for contract form 7s. Here the plugins and click to install now and active. So that plugin is active. Then you can see here CF7 add-ons. Go to the all add-ons and you need to active the redirect add-ons. Scroll down here. Here the redirection. So before I use that is on here already on. So if you going to first time, it will be off. So you need to active the redirection options. And now go to your contract forms. So here the contract forms and here just select your form. This is my form that I used on the home page. So click here and if you scroll down, then you see the redirect options. So you need to first enable the redirect options and here you need to click on the internal page and here you need to select the thanks page and after complete that you need to click to save. You need to check enable redirection yes or no. So if you going to first time, so that will be no and you need to click to on yes and click to redirect internal page and here set up your thanks page and click to save. Okay, done. Now just reload your website, just submitting the another form. Test message and click to submit. You see here successfully submit and redirect to thanks page. So I hope you understand how to redirect the contract form 7 to thanks page. Thanks for watching.